In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Zoho CRM in Zoho One. We will start from the point where you already have access to Zoho CRM inside Zoho One, and you want to make sure your CRM users are set up correctly. This is an important foundation step, because the right user settings help the rest of your CRM configuration work smoothly. First, log into Zoho CRM. Take a moment here to make sure you are in the correct CRM environment, since Zoho One can connect multiple services under one account. When you are on the Zoho CRM dashboard, look for the Setup area. You can usually find it represented by a gear icon. Click the Setup gear icon to open the administrative settings. Once the Setup menu opens, you will be looking for a section labeled General. Click on General so that you can access the user and account basics. This is where Zoho stores controls for who can access CRM and how permissions and access are organized. After you are inside the General section, focus on the Users option. Click Users to bring up the User Management screen. Here, you should see a list or overview of existing users, depending on how your workspace is configured. This page is where you can add new users and define their access settings. Now that you are on the Users page, you will see a button at the top that says Plus New User. Click Plus New User to begin creating a new CRM user. This action opens a form where you can enter the details for the person who will use Zoho CRM. Before you fill anything in, check that you are using the correct fields and that the form is properly loaded. Next, enter the user details. On the screen, you will see input fields for the necessary information about the user. Provide the required details exactly as your organization expects, since Zoho uses this information to manage access and account identity. If there are optional fields, you can consider filling them in as well, but the main goal is to ensure the required fields are complete. As you enter the user details, the next part is to assign their role and profile. This step matters because it controls what the user can see and do within Zoho CRM. Roles and profiles help you manage permissions in a structured way, which keeps CRM secure and organized. Look for the fields labeled Role and Profile on the form, and select the appropriate options for the type of access you want this user to have. Note the user to have. After you have entered the user details and selected the correct role and profile, review the information briefly one more time. Confirm that the role selection matches what the user needs for their work. Confirm that the profile setting is correct as well, since mismatched permissions can cause issues later when the user tries to access modules or functions. When everything looks correct, click Save. The Save button commits the new user to your Zoho CRM setup. After saving, you can usually return to the user list, where you should see the new user added. This confirms that the setup step was completed successfully. At this point, your CRM user is set up within Zoho CRM through the Zoho One setup experience. You have now connected user identity and access permissions properly, which prepares your CRM for the next configuration tasks. That covers everything you need to know.